Now, the new talent scouting system, which Cricket West Indies implemented to replace the tried and tested selection panel, should be given time to work. That's according to Jamaica's chief selector, Delroy Morgan.
Lead selector for the Jamaica Scorpions, Delroy Morgan, has voiced his support for the CWI talent identification setup and its potential to help the West Indies senior men's team. Morgan articulated his thoughts on the system fresh off his participation in the CWI's talent identification workshop in Trinidad during the recently concluded Breakout T20 League.
I think what I've been, well, for me personally, I've been saying that for years, that the various islands need to be in sync with even the selectors before, because we didn't know what was happening. Teams were being selected, and it's only a few people that are aware of what was going on.
The CWI abolished the role of a head selector after the contract of Desmond Haynes ended in June 2024. The decision to have coach Darren Sammy as the sole selector with support of talent identifiers like Morgan around the region has divided opinion in the Caribbean cricket fraternity. Speaking to TVJ Sports in March, Director of Cricket Miles Baskam addressed the issue.
What I would say is that give it a chance. We've had a lot of different models in terms of our selection system, and we have always had a controversy over selection. So it's not fair to say that we can't speak as though we have had a perfect system.
Morgan agrees.
Yes, but maybe I don't want to talk about them because, especially the pace bowling department, I've seen a few. Headmans, very quick. Bakers too as well, right quickly from Kensington is one on the up and looking good. So, and there's others that we're still looking at because the senior cup season is still going on.
Only time will tell whether this approach by the CWI will work in the long run. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
South Africa.